Inaasahan na ng ilang mga political groups ang pagpapalabas ng COMELEC sa kanilang Implementing Rules and Regulations o IRR na magiging basehan para sa Bangsamoro Electoral Code. Ayon sa Participate BARMM, isang research program ng Ateneo Center for Governance, posibleng sa madaling panahon ay ilalabas na ng COMELEC ang IRR. Inaasahan umano na agad na makikipagkita ang COMELEC sa iba't ibang political parties para sa isang briefing sa approved version ng IRR. Mahalaga umano ang IRR dahil ito ang magiging basihan o libro ng mga sasabak sa nakatakdang kauna-unahang parliamentary elections ng BARMM sa 2025.
So I was informed by no less than COMELEC Chair George Garcia himself that the IRR has been approved by the Unbank of COMELEC and they will release it very soon. So he is proposing a meeting with the different political parties involved and they will be given a briefing of the approved version of the implementing rules and regulation of the Bangsamoro Electoral Code. Of course, it's very relevant because the nitty-gritty of how the actual conduct of the elections will be held, will be based on the implementing rules and regulations. So it's essentially the rules of the game. So all the political players, the parties, the supporters, all the leaders are anxiously waiting for what the final version of the rules are. Certainly within the next coming days, they will be at least announced that it has been approved, and I just don't know when actually they will release the approved version.
Samantala, ikinagalak naman ang pagbibigay daan ng 8 mga sasabak na mga partido sa BARMM sa ipinatawag na Political Party Forum na inorganisa ng Westminster Foundation for Democracy o WFD na suportado ng UK government, kung saan nagkaroon ng sinsiro at prangkang dialogo sa mga isyong politikal, lalo na sa usapin ng seguridad at pagkakaroon ng makasaysayang malinis na halalan sa ilalim ng BARMM Elections.
BARMM is a product of the historic struggle of the Bangsamoro people, and there is a need to defend, protect, and at least expand and consolidate and build on the gains of the peace process. And that is through setting up the new rules of engagement in terms of new politics and moral governance. So they all believe in, of course, advocating change, but of course it's easier said than done given the historic structural impediments in the region. No? So it's going to be a very challenging and arduous journey for the people of BARMM and the political parties, but hopefully BARMM succeeds because the success of the BARMM democratic experiment is a success not only for Mindanao but the entire Filipino people.
Definitely. And iwasan yung negative campaigning, no? Iwasan yung hate speech, negative campaigning. At kapag nangyari yun, then panalo nga, no? Panalo ang mamamayan ng Bangsamoro, ang Mindanao, ang Pilipinas. Pero makakatulong din po ay tuloy-tuloy itong proseso na ito. Ang description po ni Dr. July ay frank, open, and sincere dialogue. No? This is a new generation of political parties here before you. No? And we know they're aiming to make a difference. And we hope that the media and civil society will continue to work with these political parties to give the elections that the Bangsamoro people deserve. No? So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Sa tingin pa ni Tihangki, ang pagpapalakas sa mga partido at mga adhikain nito sa serbisyo sa tao ang bubura sa mga hindi magandang nakasanayan sa mga mararahas na halalan sa mga nakaraan.
Indeed, Mindanao, particularly in the Bangsamoro region, no? It has always had that reputation of election-related violence. No? But again, this is a golden opportunity for all the major players, be it the political clans, be it the former armed social movements, no, to really channel their energies into the electoral arena by strengthening their political party. So the political party should be the vehicle for political competition, and it should not result in violence.
Bagamat naghahanda na ang ilang mga political groups para sa inaasahang pagkakaroon ng kauna-unahang parliamentary elections, may ilang grupo naman ang nagsusulong na i-extend pa ng isang termino ang Bangsamoro Transition Authority hanggang 2028. Ito'y upang maipagpatuloy at matapos umano ang mga nasimulan ng kasalukuyang interim government. Mula dito sa Cotabato City, ako si Ferdinand Cabrera ng Cotabato News para sa Newsline Philippines. Stay safe